Learn how to efficiently utilize a P_invoice recognition and extraction expert through this comprehensive guide. This agent is designated for a P team, which can automatically realize the inelligent identification and extraction of invoice information. It involves two main scenarios. One is review the image file input, accurately extract the configured keywords via OCR, finally output the information in a structed JSON format. Another workflow is for PDF file input. Add a precondition based on scenario 1. Convert the PDF file to images firstly. We set the two path to upload files, local upload and upload file link. In this video, we take upload PDF file locally as the example. Click on local upload, choose and upload the target invoice file. Provide the details of email type. Execute the recognition process by clicking on the Execute button. Please navigate to the right side to view the execution result. On the top of the screen, it displays the modules and runtime used for this process. Access the data in JSON format by clicking on the result. If there is any parameter is blank within the invoice file, it will mark it as unidentified. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use a P_invoice recognition and extraction expert.